Hey, welcome! InvestTech Hub here. You need to watch this if you struggle with freelancer taxes. Listen, we all know the feeling, that pit in your stomach when you realize tax season is right around the corner. It's not the most glamorous part of being your own boss, but trust me, getting those taxes right is crucial. Think about it. Filing taxes correctly means more money in your pocket, and who doesn't want that? We're talking about avoiding those nasty penalties, maximizing your deductions, and maybe even scoring a sweet refund. In this video, I'm breaking down the entire process into bite-sized, actionable steps that even your grandma could understand. We're going to cover everything from tracking your income and expenses to claiming every single deduction you deserve. By the end of this video, you'll be a tax-savvy freelancing machine, ready to conquer the IRS with confidence. Let's dive in. All right, let's get real for a second. The foundation of nailing your taxes is knowing where your money is going. And I'm not just talking about that avocado toast you splurged on last week. I'm talking about meticulous, organized tracking of every single dollar that flows in and out of your business. This is non-negotiable, guys. You absolutely need a system. The good news is it doesn't have to be complicated. You can use accounting software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. Both are super user-friendly and automate a ton of the process. Or, if you're on a tight budget, even a simple spreadsheet can do the trick. The key here is consistency. Make it a habit to update your records regularly, like every week or two. Trust me, future you will thank you when it's not a mad dash to gather everything come tax time. Speaking of gathering, hold on to those receipts. Those little pieces of paper are like gold when it comes to proving your business expenses. Pro tip, create a dedicated folder, whether it's physical or digital, and categorize everything. Seriously, it'll save you so much headache later on. I personally use a combination of online software and a good old-fashioned filing cabinet. Remember, organization is key to maximizing those deductions and keeping Uncle Sam happy. Okay, freelancers, listen up. This is a big one. One of the biggest shocks to the system when you start freelancing is realizing you can't just coast through the year and deal with taxes in April. Nope. Uncle Sam wants his cut quarterly. That's right, my friends. We're talking about estimated taxes. As a freelancer, you're essentially your own employer, which means you're responsible for paying self-employment and income taxes throughout the year. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. The magic form you need is IRS Form 1040-ES. It's like the holy grail of quarterly tax estimations. This bad boy helps you calculate how much you owe based on your income and deductions. And the best part? Paying quarterly can actually save you money in the long run by helping you avoid those nasty underpayment penalties. Think of it like this. Would you rather pay a little bit throughout the year or get slapped with a huge bill come April? Yeah, didn't think so. Trust me. Setting those reminders and getting those payments in on time will give you peace of mind and keep the IRS off your back. It's all about being proactive and staying on top of your game. All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite part, deductions. This is where things get exciting because we're talking about reducing your taxable income and keeping more of your hard-earned cash. As a freelancer, you have a whole arsenal of potential deductions at your disposal, so it's time to get strategic. We're talking about deducting your home office expenses, those software subscriptions you live and breathe, business-related travel, internet and phone bills, health insurance premiums, and even contributions to your retirement account. Remember those receipts we talked about? This is where they come in handy to back up every single expense. But here's the catch. It has to be related to your business. Don't even try to slip in that new gaming console as a business expense. The IRS is smarter than you think. Keep it legit, keep it organized, and don't be afraid to get granular. Those small deductions can really add up over time. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to maximizing your deductions. Do your research, check out the IRS website, or even consult with a tax professional to make sure you're not leaving any money on the table. It's all about being smart and strategic with your finances. All right, we're getting closer to the finish line. Now that you've got your income, expenses, and deductions sorted out, it's time to tackle the actual tax forms. Don't worry, I've got you covered. As a freelancer, the star of the show is Schedule C. That's where you'll report your business's profit or loss. Think of it like your business's very own tax return. You'll need to grab your trusty Form 1040 as well and file them together. If your business expenses are looking good and exceed $5,000, you might also need to fill out Schedule SE for self-employment tax. Don't let the forms intimidate you. They're designed to be straightforward. Plus, there are tons of online resources and even tax software that can walk you through the process step by step. Just remember to double-check those numbers and make sure everything is accurate before you hit submit. Pro tip, consider filing electronically. It's faster, more secure, and you'll get your refund quicker. Nobody wants to be waiting around for a paper check in the mail, right? Technology is your friend here, guys. Let's face it, sometimes taxes can feel like you're navigating a labyrinth blindfolded. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about any part of the process, it's totally okay to call in the big guns. I'm talking about certified public accountants, CPAs, or tax professionals. Think of them as your personal tax superheroes, here to save the day. They can help you navigate those complex deductions, ensure you're taking advantage of every single credit available to you, and give you personalized advice based on your unique situation. Yes, hiring a professional does come with a cost, but consider it an investment in your financial well-being. They can often uncover hidden deductions you might have missed and help you avoid costly mistakes that could result in an audit down the line. Remember, peace of mind is priceless. If working with a pro means sleeping soundly at night knowing your taxes are in good hands, it's worth every penny. Plus, they can free up your time so you can focus on what you do best, crushing it in your freelance business. And that's it, folks. See, filing taxes as a freelancer doesn't have to be scary or overwhelming. With the right tools, knowledge, and a little bit of organization, you can crush tax season like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip to level up your freelancing game. And hey, drop a comment below. What's your biggest tax headache as a freelancer? Let's chat. Until next time, stay productive, stay inspired, and keep freelancing like a boss. Peace out.